Number 13, Dennis made $245 selling some furniture at his garage sale. The $245 he earned was 7% of his total sales for the day. What was the total value of his sales for the day? So they give us 7% and we need to find 100%. But we don't necessarily have to go right to 100%. Let's just try to get close. So we know 7% is $245. So let's, instead of jumping all the way to 100, which is going to be, we'll have to do some cross products and proportionality. But let's go to 70% because we know that if we take 7 times 10, we get 70%. And multiplying by 10 is pretty easy. So if we multiply that by 10, if we take the other side in a proportion table, we can multiply that together and we get 2,450. And that's 70% of his total sales. Just by using the 7% we know 70%. Then we can look at our answer choices and see we're trying to go to 100%. So 100%'s got to be greater than 70%. So let's look at our answer choices. Hey, if we know it's got to be bigger, all of these are already smaller, so it's not going to work. Now you could take this down and find it exact, but in terms of a multiple choice question, it's really an easier way to do some estimation and use some easier numbers. So what was the total sales for the day? A, $3,500.